but you have to have a really strong understanding of the anatomy and the physiology of what you're dealing with. Because if you're looking at this mush that you thought was a leg and you see a bunch of blood spurting out sort of everywhere, you have to have a good understanding of where to start. And that was probably my best advice to people. Now, obviously, looking at, we haven't talked really about tourniquets, but tourniquets are obviously, if you could put a tourniquet on a limb, then put a tourniquet on the limb if it requires one, i.e. life-threatening hemorrhage. That's the easy button, right? Bleeding, yes or no? Bleeding, yes. Then the next question I ask myself is a tourniquet, yes or no? If I could put a tourniquet on it, I'm going to put a tourniquet on it because, again, that's pretty easy. The answer is no to that tourniquet. Well, then I have to pack. And then that's when things get a little tricky depending on where, right? You sit there and you look at if it's a true junctional wound, a true junctional injury, that's a problem, man. Those are problematic wounds and you don't have a whole lot of time to sit there and read the roadmap. You need to know where to start pretty quickly.